Now that we have our theme installed, the next option is to create the pages that is needed for the site. So right now our site looks like this. Let's give it a minute. So if we look at this site, it does not have anything on this site right now. What we want is we want a logo over here. We want some pages to be associated with it, a landing page and a page, a menu with submenu and a contact us page and a search button. So in order to build that, let's build all these pages first. I'll go to dashboard. I'll go to pages and let's go to all pages, and you can see there are a couple of pages available, but let's click on add new. The option it is giving me is to create this page using the default block editor. So let's just close this and I will give it a name like, so this is going to be my home page, and I'll click on publish. Let's go back and let's create another page, add new, and this time we want it to be, let's say, our services page. Let's click on publish. Okay, so page is published. Let's go back again. So under services, so we want to create a sub menu inside the services. Let's say we want to create the kind of service what we provide is web designing or web development. So I'll click on add new. So I'll give it over here web design. This is my web design page and hit publish. Okay, let's create an about page. I'll click on add new. Hit publish. Okay, finally we need a contact us page. So let's go to add new, create contact us, hit publish. All right, so now that the needed pages, whatever we need has been created, the next thing what we need is creating a menu.